Good day everyone, we are Group 4 and we will be presenting our Sensorics trainer experiment. In this activity, we tested different sensors and identified their types based on how they respond to different materials.
Our main goal is to understand how sensor works and to determine what type of sensor is used in each experiment by analyzing the materials they can detect.
To conduct the experiment, we used a variety of materials such as metals, plastics, paper, foam, magnets, and reflective objects. Each material was placed in front of the sensor and we carefully observed whether the sensor detected it or not. If the sensor responded, we marked it as detected. Otherwise, we marked it as not detected. After completing all trials, we compared the results and analyzed the patterns to determine the type of sensor used in each experiment.
In experiment 1, we observed that only metallic materials like steel, copper, aluminum, and brass were detected. Non-metal materials such as plastic, paper, and foam showed no response. This pattern clearly indicates that the sensor only reacts to conductive metals. Because of this, we identified experiment 1 as an inductive sensor which operates using electromagnetic fields to detect metallic objects.
In experiment 2, the sensor detected almost all materials including non-metals like plastic, paper, and foam. We also noticed that damp paper was detected more easily than dry paper, showing that moisture affects detection. This tells us that the sensor responds to changes in capacitance caused by different materials. Therefore, we conclude that experiment 2 uses a capacitive sensor which can detect both solid and liquid substances.
For experiment 3, only magnets were detected, while all other materials showed no response. This very specific detection behavior indicates that the sensor only responds to magnetic fields. Based on this observation, we identified experiment 3 as a magnetic sensor.
In experiment 4, only reflectors were detected. We observed stronger detection when using reflectors, even though the mirror is also a reflective object. The condition stated that it is 45 degrees inclined and the sensor cannot detect the feedback light from the mirror. This shows that the sensor works using light to detect objects. Because of this, we concluded that experiment 4 is a photoelectric sensor, which detects objects based on light reflection.
To summarize our findings, experiment 1 is an inductive sensor, experiment 2 is a capacitive sensor, experiment 3 is a magnetic sensor, and experiment 4 is a photoelectric sensor.
In conclusion, by testing different materials and analyzing how each sensor responds, we were able to successfully identify the type of sensor used in each experiment. This activity helped us better understand how sensors function and how they are applied in real-world systems such as automation, manufacturing, and safety devices.